Hi, this is Welchlin. Today's video is on business etiquette. What is a professional handshake? You know, I find it kind of awkward now shaking hands with clients, customers, and colleagues and coworkers these days. Some people give me the knuckles, some people give me the elbows, and some people blow right past the handshake and give me a hug. I grew up on a dairy farm. We're handshakers, not huggers. Since the pandemic, some people have lost their confidence with shaking hands. This has been a tradition for more than 2,500 years, and I'm sure it will become completely comfortable doing it again. Some researchers claim the handshake dates back to the 5th century BC in Greece and was used as a symbol of peace. The hand-to-hand gesture was used by two people to prove to one another that both parties had no weapons. Now that's funny. So let's take a look at some handshake techniques. Whenever possible, stand to shake hands. A good, well-timed handshake with your smile is a sure way to stand out, whether you're at a client's office or at an industry conference. A good handshake will grant you instant rapport when meeting someone new. Extend your right hand so that you shake the other person's right hand. Be ready to shake hands regardless of your gender or the other person's gender. They will remember that you extended your hand first. Make eye contact. Look directly into the person's eyes during the handshake. It was suggested to me to look into their eyes for as long as it takes to recognize the color of their eyes. Keep your grip firm and assertive, but not too tight. General rule, grasp as tightly as the other person does. Shake hands using 2 pumps of the hand in professional settings and 3 pumps in social situations. So what is the impact of a great handshake? Well, research shows a prospective employee with the best handshake is more likely to get the job. Wow, since I grew up on a farm, I have a firm grip. Sometimes I say, put it in the vise. However, when someone is wearing a ring or 2 on their hand, I'm gentle. I'm very gentle, and I try not to squeeze too hard because it can hurt. I guess until everyone is comfortable shaking hands again, I will follow the other person's lead and give knuckles and elbows and head nods. But when I get to shake hands, I'll be the best at it. Thank you for watching this video on business etiquette. What is a professional handshake? If your organization is struggling with business etiquette, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I'll provide a speech or seminar that will help people make professional handshakes.